Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product called the ProfitPrime from Warrior Plus. And this product has been launched on 17th of June 2021, and let's take a look at this review. Before we go ahead, make sure you do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now this is not a piece of make money software, okay, so do not think that this thing is going to make some money for you. It's purely a software which you need to use in your business for your clients. Okay, so you can say this is an alternative to Zoom calling or some other video calling softwares or webinar softwares, and this comes in a one-time price only. So let's go ahead and check what their website says. So it says brand new Zoom killer software lets you run unlimited done for you webinars in the cloud for free traffic and big commissions. Say goodbye to GoToWebinar and Zoom's expensive limited monthly subscriptions. So this is the concept which we also have in our mind, and we will launch the product very soon. Now it says host unlimited video meetings, live conferences, webinars, and this and that. So it's like, if you know or if you have heard about Zoom calling or Zoom conferencing, then this software is going to do the same thing in cheap price, in just $17. Okay, there will be some upgrades inside which you need to of course go through and look into, but upfront cost is 17 bucks only, and that means you can get rid of Zoom. You can stop paying for the subscriptions, and you can save a lot of money by using the software. So step one is logging into their system, cloud-based software. There's nothing you need to set up or configure or host. Step two is create your webinar, video meeting, or live conference and add your affiliate link, and you can even stream recorded videos or webinars to go live to yourself. So you can even record these videos and then you can upload them on YouTube if you want to get more traffic. Okay, step three is relax as ProfitPrime blasts your link through our autoresponder to thousands of people and shares your blah 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 and make one commission. So let's not focus on make money here. I'm not reviewing this product as a make money online software. I have no no way to confirm that you will make any money with this software or not. So let's not get into make money online. Okay, this is only a piece of software for webinars, for video calls, for meetings. This is the only use of this software. That's what you need to have in your mind if you're thinking about buying it. So do not mix your thoughts with make money online. This is not going to make you any money until and unless you have an audience. So let's skip the make money online part here. It's only a good software going to help you to get professional video calls, webinars hosted, and then you can have those webinars streamed on your website, on your sales pages, so that you can actually promote your own product, whether it's a make money online product or something else, or maybe it's an online coaching or some video tutorials. So you can use this software to host your webinars, to your recordings, and then use them on YouTube videos or use them on your sales page. And then here's the sales dashboard. Don't go into these figures. This is the money for these people who has launched these products, because in my previous videos I have told you, you don't make money Warrior Plus as long you're an affiliate. You make a lot of money if you create your own softwares, your own products like this, and this will give you a lot of money if you're a vendor. Now here's a screenshot which shows the comparison actually, because if you're using a Zoom plan, so monthly Zoom costs you $200 and yearly they cost you like $400. So if you buy this software in just one-time price, you're gonna save hell lot of money. Okay, and then let's go through these other reviews and other things. So there's nothing extra you have to go on the website. Website is fine, it's okay, you can go ahead and buy. Let's go to the demo here. The demo video is right here. We have to show you the demo, how the inside works of this dashboard, and this is the login information. So here you can see this is the vendor. Now this is how the meeting is going to be hosted inside the dashboard, and these will be the features. So it's 8 minutes 55 seconds long video, so I'm not going to play the whole video. I'll show you the shortcuts here in between. This is how you can ask people to join your video, and if you buy the agency license of the software, you can even resell the software under your name, and you can make money using the rights of this software or you can sell this to your clients for one-time price or for a reoccurring price, and you can make reoccurring money with this software. Okay, so this is all about this ProfitPrime. It's good to go from my end because it's not one of those scam software which says you will make money. This is actually a genuine software which actually gives you an alternate of Zoom video calling. Okay, so don't think as a money making software, just buy it as a as an investment, because you can actually sell this to your clients and you can make more money. So in the end, it's a thumbnail, it's a good to go thing. Go and buy this software. If there's a link in the description, then use it. Otherwise, just buy it from the website directly. And thank you for watching our video, our review, and do subscribe to our channel and the email list, and we'll come back with another review video shortly.